Welcome to the Expovision Planner portal. This is an overview of how you, as the planner, can manage all your room block reservations for a successful event. Once your room block is confirmed in our system, the planner will receive an email with a link to the planner portal. Here, you will be able to make, change, and cancel individual and bulk reservations. Submit your rooming list by the cutoff date listed or agreed on. By this date, all unassigned rooms will be released and any additional rooms needed will be subject to availability. If your company has agreed to have all guests pay with their individual credit cards, you are welcome to send the delegate link to all your guests to book their own reservations. This link will prompt the guests to securely enter their credit card information to pay the deposit. Or if submitting a rooming list, you must provide the guest's individual credit card on the rooming template list provided above. Clicking on the Planner portal link will prompt you to create your Planner password to log in. This is your Planner portal. You can download the approved rooming list template in order to import your rooming list and assign rooms, or drop off the rooming list so we can assign the names for you. On this link, you can view your room block inventory protected by hotel and room type, the number of rooms assigned and the number of rooms available in your block, as well as the rates by occupancy. You also have a quick access to the delegate link to send to all your guests to book their reservations with their individual credit cards. Once you fill out the approved rooming list template with all the required information on the columns highlighted in yellow, save it as an Excel workbook. Now, you are ready to import the rooming list by clicking on this link. Browse your document and click Next to map your columns. If you are using the approved rooming list template, the columns will auto-map for you. This screen will show you the information you are about to import. Click Next to import. Your imported rooming list is in pending status. These entries only constitute as requests and are not confirmed reservations. In this stage, you can edit or cancel records before assigning them into your room block. When ready to assign them, you can select the same hotel and room type in bulk in order to assign them, or select them individually. Then click on Book Selected. On this page, you can review the inventory available in your block, contact us for assistance, or return to the Planner dashboard. When you go to the Planner dashboard after assigning reservations, you can sort them by clicking on the top headers. Click the blue link, Quick Access to edit dates and individual email, or use the icons on the right to view the reservations details, edit, delete, or email the individual confirmation. If you still have pending reservations from your rooming list to assign, click on Assign Rooms. You can make new individual reservations, download all reservations for your review or to take to the event, or email bulk confirmation. Canceled reservations can be viewed from this tab. Please note these reservations cannot be reinstated. You will need to make a new reservation. Thank you for booking in the hotel block. If you have any questions, we are here to help.